Hi everyone, very good evening. I hope all of you are doing well and you have had an amazing day ahead. So, welcome to the amazing webinar which we are introducing for the very first time on Yana's Healing Studio platform. And it's a wonderful workshop of jar spell course. So you would be learning on how you can make jar spells, what are jar spells, what are the basics. So uske pehle, before we start learning, I just want to say that because I have been traveling, I will be available on the Zoom chat to answer all your queries. But we will be playing the recording. The team will be playing the recording because we don't want you to miss on your Wednesday learnings, Saturday learnings, or any of your learnings, healing hours, or anything. We have so much of knowledge that we want to share it with you. So let's start with the introduction of Yana's Healing Studio. As you all know, Yana's Healing Studio has been your best transformation partner. We helped more than 11,000 lives, and this has been led by none other than the renowned divination expert Siddhi Shah. She is a divination expert, spiritual energy activation coach, a TEDx speaker, and has helped more than 11,000 people to elevate their life, to unlock their true potential through her readings, through her teachings, through her workshop, and so much more. Yana's Healing Studio has hosted more than 50 spiritual workshops and has trained more than 3,000 people to start their spiritual journey and their occult business. So we are so glad that you got time to attend our webinar today, and a very warm welcome to all of you. We also have one more division, which is Sri Karya Siddhi. So Sri Karya Siddhi is one of the verticals where we help you with spiritual supplies like puja, attunements, all your spiritual offerings. Like you can get the online pujas done from us, all the attunements of deities, gods, goddesses. We have amazing crystals. Some of our crystals are so rare that you would not find it anywhere else. Bath salts, candles, and so much more. So be in touch with us. You can visit our website www.yanashealingstudio.in for more information, and you would find all our offerings, all our products, and everything is available on this amazing website. So now let's start our learning for today. So today we are going to learn about jar spells. Now, before we begin, just tell me how many of you have heard this before? How many of you already know about the jar spells, or you've heard it, you've seen on the Instagram, or you've just seen it somewhere? Just type in the chat box. Let's have an interactive session. Even if it's an recording, I want you to know that this is going to be an interactive session because I will be watching, reading all your messages on the Zoom chat. So just type I know in case if you've already heard, or you can simply say no if you've not heard it before. Okay, thank you. Thank you so much for your responses. Now, one more question I want to ask. How many of you are attending webinars, masterclasses, free sessions on Yana's Healing Studio platform for the very first time? Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much. So, since we have some of the people who are attending our free sessions for the very first time, I would like to take a moment to introduce myself. So, let me just stop the screen share here. So, hi everyone, I am Vasudha, working as an associate expert at Yana's Healing Studio with Sati, and it's been a blessing. So, I would like to take a moment to say thank you to Yana's Healing Studio for giving me this amazing opportunity to come here and share the knowledge of jar spells with all of you. I have about 5+ years of experience as an occult business owner. I have done more than 700 plus readings, have helped personally 3,200 plus people to make their lives better. and have written blogs on certain platforms. My core expertise is graphology, numerology, some of these amazing remedies. So I'm a remedy expert, Vedic remedy, Western remedy, switch words, and many more. So I've learned more than 50 modalities, and I'm almost teaching more than 20 of them. So thank you to Siddhi. She's really been handholding me for this amazing platform where I get this opportunity to share all the knowledge that I have gained over the years with you. Some of my clients have been celebrities, have been VIPs, business owners, individuals. I have my ebook on Amazon. Your handwriting speaks about you, so you can read about it. Let me know, drop a feedback. Would be happy to hear from you. So let's go ahead and start this wonderful, wonderful learning of jar spell. So, what are jar spells? Jar spell is nothing but it's a comprehensive guide. It's a guide which is designed for everybody who are very eager to explore. Now, let me just stop the screen share for a minute. So all of you would be making Lakshmi Potli, Kuber Potli, and many other potlis on Diwali, Dashera, during the Dashera, during Navratri, and so many things. We make protection bag, we make we make love bag, we make relationship bag, and in tarot we also have launched tarot mojo packs. What is this? It's nothing but combining many ingredients like this. So we will be learning this today on how do we make it. This is a big jar. We can also take a smaller jar than this because I had this available at home. I have got it to show you as a remedy on how we can make it. You just have to remember that we need a glass material. कांच का material होना चाहिए. It's combined of many ingredients. So we will be learning and we will have an overview on what does it combine of, what are the materials we use and when to use. So all these potly bags that we make with crystals, with herbs, with salt, with fitkari, alum, and so much, these are nothing but also a spell casting method. But here we are combining everything in a bag. We are combining it in a pouch, and here we will be having it in the jar, which is why this is called as jar spell. So this is a comprehensive method where we bring all the materials together and then we cast a spell, we cast an intention, which we are going to learn further. So this is one of the methods, okay? Like just like pottery bags, we are going to have it in the jar. So how many of you, let's have a small quiz, okay? So how many of you know that why do we use pyrite crystal? So just let me know in the chat box, okay? And why do we use rose quartz crystal? And why do we use black tourmaline crystal? So this is about the crystal. Now let's take a small quiz on the material. So why do we use salt? What is the property that salt has? Just let me know in the chat box. What is the property that clove has? Clove, which is called as long in Hindi. What is the property that clove has? So now let's take a random quiz on colors. So what does blue color mean to you? Let me know in the chat box. For me, it means adaptable, calm. So what does it mean to you? In the same way, tell me what does white color mean to you? Thank you so much for being participative in this amazing interaction and amazing quiz that we had. So let's learn now. Let's start our learning. I've heard all your answers, but let's see that what does it exactly mean. This course is for someone who is a spiritual seeker, who want a simple, powerful manifestation tool. It's for healers, tarot readers, Reiki, occult practitioners who wants to add remedies as a toolkit. Like you remember, I told you I'm a remedy expert. So I learned so many remedy courses that whatever may be your problem, I have a remedy for each thing. Homemakers, working professionals who want to protect themselves, who want to attract love, who want to boost the positivity in everyday life. This is for all of them who are facing repeated blocks in relationship, money, career or any kind of energy. So आपका पैसा बार बार अटक रहा है, आपने किसी को पैसे दे दिए तो वो बार बार चीट कर रहे हैं, ऐसे अगर कुछ भी हो रहा है, so that means there is a repeated blockages in your life which we need to work on. This is for all those students who want to learn about manifestation, manifest all their desires, wishes, all those energy healing professionals who want to deepen their ritual practice. Who is this webinar not for? So, what is the scope? Let's understand. This webinar is not for people who are expecting instant miracles in their life, who don't want to make any effort and they just want to achieve result within the one spell. So this remedy is not for them. This course, this learning is not for them. For those people who are hardcore skepticals, they are not open to receive energy, they are not open to learn spiritual way to remove their repetitive blockages. This is not for people who are looking for black magic or manipulation spell, because we are going to learn only सात्विक spells. हम कोई भी तंत्र विद्या नहीं सीखेंगे. हम सिर्फ और सिर्फ हमारी अच्छे के लिए, भलाई के लिए, जो हमारी लाइफ को एलिवेट करने वाले जार स्पेल्स है, वही हम सीखेंगे. So this is not for people who are looking for any kind of manipulation spell. It's not for people who are unwilling to respect the sacredness and spiritual work. So all of the spiritual work involves a lot of respect, because we are using a lot of earth elements, we're using a lot of materials, we are involved with mentors. So you need to have respect for everything that you are doing. You need to respect the sacredness of the spell after ritual that you are doing. So our focus at Yana Sealing Studio is more on empowering individuals through positive ethical spell work, which aligns with your life, which aligns with your growth goals, which aligns with the things that you want to achieve in your life, the things that you desire. And everybody has a right to be happy. Everybody has a right to have money. Everyone has a right to have a happy partner, happy relationship. Everyone deserves growth in their career. Everyone deserves to do a business. Whatever you deserve and desire, you should be getting it. Which is why we will be learning this amazing jar spell, which is so easy technique for all your manifestation. So let's have an open mind and continue to our learning. So, what are jar spells? Jar spells are nothing, but these are ancient techniques. So, if you saw that, if you see in many culture, the traditional spiritual seekers and practitioners always use some kind of material. So, even if sometimes if you go to any temple, they'll energize the coconut and give it to you. That is also a spell. So, spell is nothing but a small ritual that we do for certain purpose, certain manifestations, certain things with a lot of desire and a lot of good energy that we put in for the manifestation to happen. So these are jars which act as our energetic containers. So these are jars which are nothing but our energy containers. So these days you must be seeing that we have so many incidents around the flight. People are scared to travel. So we are also going to learn on how to make a safe travel jar, which you can carry with you to avoid accidents, to protect yourself, and to avoid any kind of haphazard to happen with you. So, jar spells are nothing but an ancient intention setting ritual where we use objects, where we use materials, like we use spices, we use crystals, we use symbols, we use certain kind of papers, write affirmations. But all of these materials and everything that we use are the natural material. We are not going to use anything that has chemical. We will be using essential oils and with a focused intention. So this is a purpose-based jar. It's meant to work as an energy container for whatever you want to desire. So think of, you can also call them as your energy banks because you create it, you charge them, and you carry with you for your manifestation. So this is been, so if you ask me about the origination, from where did it come? So certainly, Indians also used to do a lot of these things. We have a lot of Vedic remedies where Ved and everyone, you will energize a herb and they'll give it to you. बहुत सारी ऐसी चीजें होती थी. But the tradition definitely started from multiple tribes and multiple magic traditions, multiple people across the country who started using this. So it's kind of a cross cultural thing. We can say it's like a global thing, wherein they started feeling the energetic vibrations. So just a while ago, we had taken a quiz, and all of you had said that salt works for negativity removal. You told me alum works for negativity removal. Then we took a color quiz. Then someone says that chlor represents money. So yes, all of these things that we are using carries a certain kind of vibration. All the spices, all the crystal, the jar, excuse me. So everything that we use has an energy, and which is why we use these material in creating our jar spells, in making our energy bank and creating our energy bank. I'm so sorry, I just went a little bit ahead. थोड़ा सा कुछ button press हो गया था. So let's move ahead. Now, why jar spells work? So why do you think that jar spell work? As I was just telling you that it is nothing but an energy bank. So the container plays a very important role. You need to have always and always a glass container because glass has the power to amplify the energy. So whatever we put in the container is going to multiply. So we need to have a Kachka class. Then the vibrational frequency. So all the herbs, crystal, oils, any material that we use, symbols, Zebu symbols. So some of our spells will have Zebu symbols. Some of our spells will have certain other abundance symbol. Some of our spells will have Japa symbols and so many symbols that we will be using for manifestation, intention, whatever we want to achieve in our life. The color matters a lot. So we will also learn a little bit of color psychology, as we need to know which candle do we use for which kind of spell. So you'd be using like candles sometimes, you'll use certain ribbons, you'll use certain sketch pens to write an intention. We are going to learn all of this. Mindful ritual. So there will be affirmation, there'll be prayer with every ritual that we want to do. And we are going to use a certain energetic anchor. So a certain crystal, a certain bond, a certain herb that will give our spell a energetic anchor, which will constantly radiate, create energy inside the jar where we have written our manifestation and put the chit inside the jar. And this particular energetic anchor will send in continuous energy, which is why you will see that when you make a jar spell, you are able to achieve anything that you want. So, what do you need for this? You don't need anything. You just need ancient spellcraft knowledge, which we are going to learn, a modern mindset, a modern psychology, and you are going to get magical result. Okay, so let's move ahead. Now, how do we energize the jar? So you need to first smudge the jar, smudge the area where you're going to sit and make this jar spell. Set a clear and positive intention. Cleanse all your space and materials. Smudge everything wherever. Smudge the place, the materials, and everything. Assemble all the ingredients. So we will be learning a step-by-step process on what material we need for protection jar, what material we need for love jar, for relationship jar, relationship harmony, marriage, money, stuck money, debts, and so much. We would be learning all of this. And then we need to seal the jar with the coded wax, coded candle wax, a colored coded candle wax. And we are going to learn what the color code means, what red would mean, what orange would mean, what black would mean. We are going to learn all of this. And then we will energize the jar and interact with the jar every day. So you need to hold the jar every day and set an intention. And if there is a symbol, you would draw a symbol on each jar. So simple steps to energize a jar. Do you think it's a very simple method for manifesting your ritual? Just let me know in the chat box. Okay. Now, what are the materials that we are going to use? We will be using herbs, we will be using crystals, oils, and other elements. So, some of the herbs, I have only put 5 herbs in this, but trust me, we are going to learn more than 25 plus herbs when you enroll for this complete course where I will tell you on how you can become a jar spell casting expert. You would be learning more than 25 plus herbs. You would be learning more than 25 crystals and more than 25 oils and other elements. And so let's understand. So some of the herbs that we would use is lavender, which is for anxiety relief. It gives you a peacefulness and it also gives you a very good sleep. Then we would be using rosemary. So rosemary is so amazing. I have a very special study oil that I make with all the knowledge that I gathered, and it's one of my hot selling products because it helps all the children to activate their third eye chakra. It enhances the memory and it improves the photographic memory of child, even adults. So even adults can use it, but especially parents buy it from us during the exams and so on. It's called as exam oil. Then we have basil. So basil is one such herb which gives you the property of prosperity and also cleansing. It helps you to cleanse, detoxify your environment. Then we have bay leaf. It is one of my favorite herb because I do so many bay leaf rituals and have seen amazing results, guys. I mean, all the spice magic students who were with us for the spice magic have seen magical results of bay leaf. Belief will help you to improve your psychic abilities. It will help you for protection. It will help you for manifesting money or whatever. So, belief is one such multifold spice which helps us in more than 3 areas of our life. Then we would learn what are rose petals, how do we use them, how do we try them, or what is the importance. So, rose, whenever the moment we say rose, we know that it is for love and healing. So, it's a relationship herb. Then we are going to learn about crystals. So black tourmaline is majorly for protection. Rose quartz is for love and compassion. Citrine is for abundance, joy, to activate your good fortune, to activate your luck. And amethyst will help you for opening your third eye chakra, calm you down, and also in your spiritual growth. Oil and other elements. So lavender oil helps us for tranquility, just like lavender, it will help us for peacefulness, good sleep, work on insomnia, chronic insomnia, and so many things. Cinnamon oil will help us for money, passion, prosperity, and to open the roadblocks. Cinnamon will help us to open the money roadblocks. It also helps in clearing the karmic blockages of money. Patchouli oil will help us in attracting. It's one of the best ingredients when we work with stuck money. So how many of you think that you have money stuck? Like you've given money to people as a help, but they are not returning it back, or you always get cheated for money, then we need to work on patchouli oil. It's an amazing ingredient when work with different items in a jar spell. Colored candles are wax, so we will learn on which color candle to use for what intention, and we will also learn how to seal the wax. Written affirmations, sigils, symbols, and so many. Rice, salt, coins, sugar, clothes. So all of this material is easily available. You will find it anywhere. We would learn about the glass jar. So this is actually a big jar. We can also take a smaller ones, or you can simply take the 10 ml, 20 ml, 30 ml bottles as well. Then we need ribbons, we need cords, and we need small charms. So charms are like you must have seen जो राखी और क्रिस्टल में होते हैं ना छोटे छोटे charms, वैसे हमको यूज करने हैं. So let's make a protection chart. Okay, let's make a protection chart live. So what do you need for this? You need a chart like this. I've already put certain ingredients in this because I wanted to show this to you. So this is a rock salt. Then I have bay leaf. You will see some star anise here. And we have cloves. वो cloves दिख नहीं रहे हैं, but इसमें है. तो अगर मैं ऐसा करूंगी तो आपको दिखाई देगा कि लॉन्ग स्टार एनीस और बे लीफ है. तो प्रोटेक्शन स्पेल बनाने के लिए आपको क्या चाहिए? यू जस्ट नीड अ बॉटल लाइक दिस. आपको रॉक सॉल्ट लगेगा, स्टार एनीस लगेगा, बे लीफ लगेगा और थोड़े लौंग लगेंगे. सो लौंग यू नीड अराउंड 4 or 5 ऑफ देम. ओके. एंड यू ऑल्सो नीड अ ब्लैक टर्मोलिन क्रिस्टल. मेरे पास नहीं था इसलिए मैं नहीं डाल पाई आप लोगों को दिखाने के लिए, बट आपको ब्लैक टर्मोलिन क्रिस्टल का टम्बल चलेगा. सो यू कैन यूज अ टम्बल और यू कैन यूज अ रॉक, द रॉ फॉर्म ऑफ ब्लैक टर्मोलिन. You need to assemble everything, so it's called as layering. जब भी हम ये इसको सेटअप करते हैं इसको लेयरिंग कहा जाता है. तो अगर आपके पास है स्पेल बनाने के लिए, अगर आप अभी जार स्पेल बनाना चाहते हो मेरे साथ इसी कॉल पर, तो आप बस नोट डाउन कर लेना और बनाकर आप हमको बता देना. या फिर अगर आई वेट फॉर 2 minutes, यू कैन गेट एवरीथिंग एंड देन we will start making it. We'll start assembling it. So you can just get all your material, get a glass jar in case if you have, get bay leaf, 5 cloves, and you need 1 or 2 star anise and a black tourmaline crystal. Okay. So once you've assembled everything, once you have layered everything, now what you need to do is you need to keep this top open. So you keep this top open and now you're going to chant a switch word. Whoever feels comfortable will chant a switch word, divine guard now. You will simply say that divine guard now. This switch word will give you the protection. See this for 5-6 minutes and keep the jar open and keep chanting so the vibrations of the switch words that you're chanting would go into the jar. And I didn't have a good bay leaf. So if you are putting the bay leaf, you can write your name. So you can write your name here and write protection. So say protection आप लिखोगे. You can use a blue pen और नीचे लिखना है वसुधा. Like my name is वसुधा, तो मैं लिख लूंगी protection वसुधा. तो ऐसा protection लिख के आपको अपना नाम लिख देना है और फिर इसे खुला छोड़ के यू विल चैंट द स्विच वर्ड. इन केस इफ यू लाइक वैदिक, इफ यू लाइक मंत्रास, तो आप कोई भी रक्षा मंत्र बोल सकते हो, जैसे हनुमान चालीसा, राम रक्षा, ये आप बोल सकते हो. या फिर काल भैरव की साधना अगर आपने करी है तो काल भैरव का मंत्र बोल सकते हो. और इसके बाद में आपने इसको बंद कर देना है, तो जार को बंद कर देना है. और क्योंकि हम प्रोटेक्शन के बारे में बोल रहे हैं तो आपने क्या करना है, वाइट कलर का कैंडल लेना है. वाइट कलर का कैंडल आपको बिल्कुल इसके टॉप पे लगाना है. और जब तक वो नहीं पिघलता, जब तक आपका कैंडल नहीं पिघलता, तब तक इसको चालू रखना है. एंड वो मन ही मन में आप चैंटिंग प्रेयर ये सब बोलते रहोगे. सो दिस बिकम्स योर प्रोटेक्शन चार्ट एंड यू कैन कैरी दिस jar with you whenever you are traveling, whenever you feel that you are someone who are so vulnerable that you attract negative energies very easily. तो ये सारी टेक्निक्स यूज करके आप ये प्रोटेक्शन जार अपने खुद के लिए यूज कर सकते हो. आप अपने घर पे रख सकते हो, अपने फैमिली के लिए एनर्जेटिक शील्ड बना सकते हो, अपने प्यारे दोस्तों, फैमिली मेंबर, सिस्टर्स, ब्रदर सबको बना के गिफ्ट भी कर सकते हो. रक्षाबंधन आ रहा है तो आप गिफ्ट भी कर सकते हो इसको. एंड बिल्कुल आप बना सकते हो. बस जहाँ पे आपने बेलीफ में खुद का नाम लिखा था वहां उनका नाम लिखना है जब आप किसी और के लिए बनाओगे. और जब आप प्रेयर बोलोगे तो आपने बोलना है दैट आई वसुधा इज गोइंग टू चैंट दिस प्रेयर for so and so person born on so and so date staying on so and so location. एक और चीज भी मुझे आपको दिखानी है. सो जैसे आई एम वेरी मच फैसिनेटेड अबाउट स्पाइस, सो दिस इज अ कैंडल, इट्स अ जार कैंडल दैट आई हैड मेड. सो इफ यू सी आई पुट ऑल ब्यूटिफुल हर्ब्स इनसाइड. दिस इज स्टार एनीज, लेवेंडर, लॉन्ग, सिनेमन, ये सब कुछ बनाया. सो दिस इज अ ब्यूटिफुल aura cleansing candle which I generally make as per the client's need, and I give it to them, and I give it to them. and I give it to them. And then they use it with a small meditation or a ritual for their purpose. So I hope you're enjoying the class. Just let me know in the chat box on how are you finding it. Are you finding it very easy, very useful, and a very quick remedy for all our needs? So you can just let me know in the chat box. Now let's learn one more jar spell, okay? So you would again need a glass jar like this. This is a remedy for relationship. It's called a sugar jar remedy, a very popular remedy. I must have given it to more than 200 people, and all of them are seeing such big happy changes in their relationship harmony. So all you need is you will need a glass, then you will need certain rose petals, एंड यू नीड वन वाइट कलर पेपर जिसमें आपको रेड कलर से ये सिंबल ड्रॉ करना है, इट्स जीबू सिंबल. सो यू हैव टू ड्रॉ इट फ्रॉम लेफ्ट टू राइट. तो आप ऐसे इसको ड्रॉ करोगे. ओके, ये वन गो में ड्रॉ करना है. फिर इसके बाद में आपको लाइन ड्रॉ करनी है, एक, दो, ये लाइन आपको ड्रॉ करनी है. प्लीज इग्नोर माय डिजिटल ड्राइंग, वो लाइन स्ट्रेट नहीं आई, बट आपको कोशिश करना है कि आप स्ट्रेट लाइन ही ड्रॉ कर रहे हो. एंड देन यू वुड ड्रॉ थ्री डॉट्स, वन, टू एंड थ्री. The name of this symbol is Reiko. So you have to draw this symbol with the red color pen and write the person जिनका relationship हमको sweeten करना है. So if you want to improve relationship with your spouse, you would write your name and your spouse name. In case if you want to improve relationship with your friend, you can write your name, your friend's name. You can write mother, daughter, father, son. This remedy works for any relationship. तो आपने क्या करना है, आपने ये सिंबल बना लिया, फिर नीचे उनका नाम लिख लेना है. तो ये सिंबल है ना, इसी के नीचे आप लिखोगे नेम, नेम ऑफ द पीपल टू इम्प्रूव रिलेशनशिप. ओके, एंड देन व्हाट यू वुड डू इज, जिस तरीके से इसमें मैंने सॉल्ट डाला था, आप इसमें शुगर डालोगे. फिर ये जो पेपर है जिसमें रेड कलर से आपने सिंबल ड्रॉ किया है और नाम लिखा है, आपने क्या करना है, जब आपका लिख के हो जाएगा तो ये जो सिंबल है, ये पेपर को बस आपको हाथ में लेना है और 3 बार ये सिंबल का नाम बोलना है एक्टिवेट करने के लिए. सो जस्ट से रेको, 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 3 बार. सो इससे आपका जीरो सिंबल एक्टिवेट हो जाएगा. और जब ये एक्टिवेट हो जाएगा, इसको आप फोल्ड करके अपनी तरफ फोल्ड करना है. सो सपोज इफ दिस इज अ पेपर आई हैव, तो इसको मैं अपनी तरफ मोड़ूंगी. ओके, एंड देन यू वुड डिप इट इन द शुगर. जो शुगर हमने भरा है जार में, उसमें अंदर डालना है. उसके ऊपर रोज क्वार्ट्ज का क्रिस्टल रखना है और जार को बंद कर देना है. जार को बंद करके आपने बस affirmations देनी है that we have amazing sweet in relationship, the bond is really good and we just completely like unconditionally love each other. ये जो सिंबल है रेको, ये अनकंडीशनल लव का सिंबल है. एक ऐसा रिलेशनशिप जिसमें कोई कंडीशन ही नहीं है. सो इट्स लाइक एवरीबडी अंडरस्टैंड्स ईच अदर रियली रियली वेल. फिर ये जार को बंद करके आपने क्या करना है, इसको ऐसी जगह पे छुपा देना है जहां डार्क प्लेस रहे और कोई इसको ढूंढ ना पाए. एंड इट वर्क्स अमेजिंग. या फिर आप इसको कहीं पे ड्रॉवर में एकदम पीछे छुपा के रख सकते हो. सो इट वर्क्स अमेजिंग, बहुत ही बढ़िया रेमेडी है. So everybody do this and please get back to us with an amazing feedback. तो ये 2 जार्स हमने सीखे अभी, जार स्पेल्स की कैसे करना है. Now tell me how many of you want to become a jar spell casting expert? जिस तरीके से हमने आज 2 जार बनाना सीखा, आप क्या करना चाहोगे, आप कैसे करना चाहोगे, एंड would you be wanting to become a jar spell casting expert just like we are doing it for everybody? So just let me know in the chat box. Okay, so we have a very special offer for you, which is designed specially for you. If with your permission, I'm just sharing it. What will you learn in this comprehensive course? It's an amazing course which is for 4 days. हम 4 दिन ये क्लास करेंगे जहाँ पे हम सीखेंगे more than 51 jar spells. not 30, 20, but more than 51. We will learn what are the basics of jar spell, what are the materials used, what protection spells, healing spells, love spell, relationship spell, self love spell, divination. All of you are occult practitioner, तो हम divination के spell सीखेंगे, थर्ड आई के स्पेल सीखेंगे, इंट्यूशन के स्पेल सीखेंगे, मनी और मैनिफेस्टेशन के स्पेल सीखेंगे, स्टक मनी, डेट्स, मोर मनी, करियर, प्रमोशन, डिजायर फॉर जॉब, ड्रीम जॉब, ये सारे स्पेल्स हम सीखेंगे। और इससे ज्यादा हम और ज्यादा मैजिकल रेमेडीज सीखेंगे, जिसमें हम हर्ब्स, क्रिस्टल, ये सारी चीजें यूज करेंगे। आप ये सीखोगे कि हाउ टू कास्ट द जार स्पेल्स एज पर द इंटेंशन and all the materials that we use, a complete psychology, color psychology, candle psychology, everything in this course. Why do you have to learn it? Why is it that you need to learn it? So, Jar Spell will give you a broader perspective where you can manifest your powerful wishes, results like love, money, relationship, health, and so much more. And this is not regional. इसमें ना कुछ भी ऐसा कल्चरल नहीं है, डेटी बेस नहीं है, कोई भी रिलीजन वाले कर सकते हैं, सब कर सकते हैं, इट्स ओपन फॉर एवरीबडी। इट्स अ वेरी सिंपल एंड अ बिगिनर फ्रेंडली बट वेरी इफेक्टिव कोर्स। एनहांस योर एग्जिस्टिंग हीलिंग्स एंड स्पिरिचुअल प्रैक्टिस। तो कई टैरो रीडर्स मैंने देखा है कि वो टैरो क्या प्रिडिक्शन बहुत अच्छा कर लेते हैं, बट वो रेमेडीज ही नहीं दे पाते क्लाइंट्स को, उनको आते ही नहीं है रेमेडीज देने। तो अगर आपको ऐसा लग रहा है कि आपके पास रेमेडीज नहीं है और आप क्लाइंट की हेल्प नहीं कर पा रहे हो, तो बिल्कुल ये कोर्स आपके लिए है। इससे आप सीखोगे हाउ टू क्रिएट योर पर्सनलाइज्ड jar spell. You will learn on how you can create a jar spell for yourself, your loved ones, your clients, and so many more. You can offer paid services, so you can take energy exchange for making these jar spells and casting the spell with your consultation. You can create your high income offer where you would learn between 1000, where you would earn, I'm sorry about saying learn, so where you would learn and earn. So you would earn between 1000 rupees to 5000 rupees per jar or per session with this effective manifestation method. You can build your own product. You can build your amazing website and start selling your jar spells. You can sell aura jar, money jar, relationship jar, job jar, stuck money jar, and so much more. You can use it for your own healing practice. You can empower other people. Once you learn, you can also teach others. Just like I am teaching you, you can teach others. You can have sell all of this in your exhibition, workshop, Instagram, your e-commerce website, and so many more. So this has a wide opportunity, but it's a learn and earn. So you learn and you also earn from it. What are you going to get? So you're going to get lifetime access to the recording. We will be sharing you the YouTube link, and you will get lifetime access to this recording. You will have detailed PDF notes. As a bonus, I'll be giving you the personal ebook that I've written on black pepper seed therapy. You would get an ebook on basic crystal guide on which crystals, why are they used, what intention, and everything. You will have WhatsApp support where we will be personally answering all your queries on WhatsApp. And you also get special offers if you purchase the materials like essential oil crystals, materials, and whatever you need for gel casting, spell casting. And if it is available with Sri Karyasiddhi, you can definitely go ahead and purchase, and we will give you special offer and special discounts on it. And upon completion, in case if you submit the 5 feedbacks to us, we will give you the certificate upon completion. So you have to make 5 jars, sell it to your clients, or you use it yourself and share the feedback. And upon receiving 5 feedbacks, authentic feedbacks, we will be issuing you a certificate upon completion. So what else do you need, guys? It's going to be one of the best courses that you have learned so far. Are you excited? Just let me know in the chat box. Okay, great. So let's move further. When are we going to have it? We will have 4 sessions from 8 o'clock to 10 o'clock. It will start from 31st of July and it will end at 3rd of August. So we are going to be together for 4 days, 2 hours each, 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. IST. The investment, if we count the bonus, the precious support that you get, and everything, and all of you done, our courses earlier know that our notes are very structured. We have this amazing support system which no other platform gives, and that's been one of our guiding light for our students, that we are always available for the support. So if we count all the investment, that the bonus, the course, and everything, it comes to 9999. But don't worry, we have a special offer worked out for you. Siddhi has been very kind to work out special discount for everybody who wants to enroll today. So today, everyone who enrolls in this workshop, amazing, comprehensive jar spellcasting workshop, you just have to pay rupees 1999. So you're getting discount for almost more than 75%. Because we want you to start your journey as a jar spellcaster and build your high income profile, high income product, and start being a remedy expert. So we welcome all of you. The links will be shared on the WhatsApp in the Zoom chat. And now I'm open to answer any questions that you have regarding the course, regarding what we learned today. And then we will go ahead and welcome everyone who are enrolling for the course. So the links will be shared in your Zoom chat by the team. The links will also be sent to your WhatsApp. Please enroll and let us know. In case if you're paying on the QR code, if you want to pay on the QR code, let the team know. We will be putting the team's number. We will send the QR code to you. And don't forget, the special offer that is given to you today is going to be available for only next 24 hours. So you need to enroll within 24 hours, because after 24 hours, the price is going to be changed to 2,700. And we are going to change the price to 2,700. So do not miss out on this offer and amazing discounts which we have worked out for you, because we want more and more people to learn this science, to execute it, and to help more and more people for their issues that they face in their daily life. So you can ask me questions, you can put it in the chat box, and I will be very happy to answer you. Or you can simply raise your digital hand and we will send you the unmute request where we will answer all your questions. और जब तक मैं लोगों की क्वेश्चन आंसर कर रही हूँ, प्लीज आप लोग लेट मत होना, क्योंकि ये ऑफर सिर्फ और सिर्फ 24 आवर्स के लिए ही है. और जो भी एनरोल कर रहा है, प्लीज डोंट पैनिक. द टीम विल ऐड यू टू द डेडिकेटेड व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप. They will add you in 1 or 2 days in the dedicated WhatsApp group where you will be notified about all your workshop details. So thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for being supportive throughout. Where I know that we have been learning through pre-recorded courses and pre-recorded sessions from couple of weeks, like last 3 4 sessions we've been learning through pre-recordings. But trust me, like, we are so dedicated that we don't want you to miss on the learning, and which is why we are making so much efforts to record the sessions for you so that we can play it for you effortlessly. So I am really, really grateful for being patient and open to answer all your questions. So go ahead.